Hello everyone, I'm excited to share another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how I created this simple black and white design. I love a good classic black and white. The polishes I'm using are from Olive and June. The black is called E+M and the white is called HD. They're initials for things. And if you haven't tried Olive and June polishes, I would definitely try them. So I'm doing one coat of the black. It is opaque in one coat, but I'm going to go ahead and do two that you'll see here, but that's not what I'm going to recommend you doing because I had some issues with that. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to see me do 2 coats of black polish, but I want you to do 1 coat of the black polish and then 1 coat of a top coat to have a barrier between the black and the white, because the black bled a little bit through the white polish when I did this mani, and it gave it a little bit of a purple hue, which was kind of cool. So if you like that look, you can go for it. But if you want the black and white look, definitely do 1 coat of black and 1 top coat before doing the white on top. So now I'm coming in with my Winstonia brush. I'll have a link to all the products I'm using down below. And I'm just going to draw a little line here at the base coming out through the center. And it doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to come back with that black and crisp up those edges. It's much easier to crisp the edges up with a dark color than it is a light color. So you just want to get the line in a general place and then you can clean it up. I'm doing them all different directions and you can just refer to the pictures for how they are. On my thumb, I did it straight up in the middle, just like my pinky. So once you get those all the places that you want, make sure you're getting it in all the edges very well too, and you can go with a brush and clean up any spots with a brush with acetone on it. But you're going to come in with this black color and the same brush and just really clean up those lines, and that will give it a nice crisp look. Once that has completely dried, you're going to come in with your favorite top coat. I'm using Glisten and Glow, and that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you decide to recreate this design, please use #InspiredByGoPolished on Instagram so I can see it. Thanks for joining me again, and we'll see you next time. Bye.